Vishnu from Kerala, Youth Congress District General Secretary of Palakkad District. I am in a protest tricon to New Delhi Parliament of India because there is protest against petrol diesel price hike and farmers issue in India. To both problems, this protest ongoing. Now completed 800 kilometers, and yesterday night I reached Goa. Next into Maharashtra, going to Maharashtra and Gujarat, Rajasthan to Haryana, New Delhi.
Final destination will be Delhi.
2,700 kilometers from Kerala.
Okay, the destination, final destination. So you started from the Kerala. Where is the end point of your journey?
Parliament gate.
How much kilometer you ride per day?
80 to 100 kilometers running every day.
What problem you face while riding the bike? Cycle. What problem you face while riding the bicycle?
No, anything issue.
Okay. The road issue, the climate, other
Road issue, I have faced some places. In Goa, Madgaon to Panaji, road work in progress, so very difficult dust and fine.
How much time you get to reach here from Kerala to Goa?
12 days.
Are you riding alone or any partner is with you?
Yes, so one partner.
Okay.
He is now in Goa, his friend's home. Tomorrow will join.
Any message you like to give to the people?
We conduct the protest, participating to Youth Congress various, because that too representing 113 crore units of India, poor people. We are the representation of all peoples of India. It strikes against Narendra Modi government.
Brother, move.